What's up, crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin is still inside of the range. It is getting squeezed with lower highs and higher lows. We're going to talk about the most important zones. Where could the price go if we were to see a successful breakout to the upside or to the downside? We're taking a look at the liquidity, where most of it is sitting. Some important news that is going on. So let's just dive in here, guys. Before we continue, I want to let you know that BYBIT, my #1 crypto trading platform, you have the best deals down below. You get $30 just by depositing $100 and placing a trade. You also get 20% fee reduction and also the biggest bonus, which is 30K deposit bonus. The more you deposit, the more bonus you are going to get with that link down below. BYBIT, my #1 crypto trading platform. Now, diving in, guys, here, this is getting really squeezed right now inside of this symmetrical triangle. You could arguably discuss. We've had some fake outs here from lower highs during the last couple of days. Now, this is going to happen very, very soon. It's ready to get an explosive breakout. This is why it's going to be extremely dangerous to either long a breakout, because it could be another fake out, or basically try and short it, okay? Short a breakout here, because maybe this is going to be that successful breakout, right? A lot of people trying to short a fake out or long the breakout, and you could get burnt. It's very difficult to detect if it is going to be a successful one. You want really high volume kicking in. When we do take a look at this range, of course, volume is going down, as you can see. We're going to see that volume spike very, very soon, whether that is breaking down or breaking to the upside. So get ready, guys. Be defensive. It is very hard to know right now which is going to be the direction. Of course, inside of these ranges, there's great trading opportunities. I scalp and day trade, also inform the Legends trading community about where we can see those internal opportunities. We are trading the range inside still till the breakout happens at some point in the coming days. So there's great opportunities. I'm just here to say that it is very difficult to detect if it is going to get breakout to the upside or to the downside. There are multiple different scenarios here. Understanding after this leg down, is this the end of it? A lot of people might think this is a head and shoulder right there with an ascending neckline and it's going to break down. The bullish people are going to say this is a symmetrical triangle. This is bullish. We're going to continue to the upside. And of course, both scenarios are possible. When we do take a look at this as an A wave right there, could have this been the ABC, okay, already inside of this triangle, and we're going to form the ABC right there in the next coming days? Or are we going to break down from here? And this is still going to be a regular A, B, and then C to the upside. So it's very, very complex right now to actually detect if it's going to break up or down, guys, to be honest. Now, inside of the range, there's great trading opportunities. There's always nice little moves of $200, $300, $400. There's been an absolute excellent short position right over here. Main reason why is understanding the CVD. We were forming some very strong bearish CVD divergence in the blue, which is most of the exchanges. You were creating lower highs on the price action and high highs on most of the exchanges. Bearish CVD divergence, people long in here at this range, and we can also see how we were hitting from the top of yesterday's price action to the low. We were hitting that 618 Fibonacci in confluence with that point of control of this major range. I mean, look at this, getting that exact resistance at 618 and that point of control from this consolidation from yesterday. Great shorting opportunity right over there. So inside of the range, there is major opportunities, of course. And how can I know where is going to be the next one? I'm going to talk about that right away in this video. Taking a look at the session volume profile, what has been happening here. Now, the previous day, value area low, very interesting level where we have a series of lows right there, as you can see on the chart. We also have the previous day point of control. This is something that was mentioned in the Legends in today's update. It's definitely a possible scenario where we do have that low from today. Could we test that level and get an instant bounce? If we break through and don't get a reaction, we just slice through the level, previous day value area low, we've got a series of lows right there that could be tested and get an instant bounce as well, guys. Just some small little tips here for some possible scalp day trading setups. It is extremely important that you do get that reaction, that you do get above that price action once you hit it. If you slice through the level, we are definitely not interested in taking any long position in this case. Now, to the upside, it's going to get a little bit more complex, of course, because right now, if we were to break above here, above today's highs, I would be extremely cautious when we do take a look at the fixed volume profile from the last couple of weeks, right? When we have been trading here inside of this range. When we do take a look at the fixed volume profile, we do have the value area high here just sitting above yesterday's highs. So could we actually test previous day highs and get a failed auction, getting resistance from the value area high, getting resistance from lower highs, and come back down? Will that be a fake out or not? Well, we're just going to have to see, guys. Most importantly, you would have to claim previous day highs, get above it. Not interested, as the price action is above that level. We could get that breakout. As we do get that consolidation reaction pullback, then that is a good trigger to realize that this has been a fake out from previous day highs, and all of this range could be good for a short position to come straight back down, at least to that point of control of the range, which would be a good take profit zone. You could get an instant bounce from that level. Just a little few tips here, guys. We are trading the zone here, trading the range, trading the symmetrical triangle till it breaks. I was just here to inform you it is going to be very difficult right now to detect if it is going to successfully break out. Will it successfully break out to the upside or to the downside? Okay, based on the price action, it's going to be very, very difficult. It could be another fake out. It could be a successful breakout. These, for me, are really no trading zones. When you get these volatile moves, I am not here trading this area unless I am in a trade from higher, okay, in a short position. These are non-events for me. I do not trade them because they can get very nasty. You could get those nasty fake outs and then an instant bounce, okay? So just to be aware, guys, it is extremely important. Nobody knows if it is going to be a successful breakout or not unless you do reject from those important levels like the ones I mentioned here during the last few minutes. If we were to get a successful breakout, what am I waiting for? Of course, the best levels are that weekly level. We've been talking about this for the last few days inside of this zone. You could reject instantly from the highs here from the 30th of January, sitting at 43,900. You got a weekly level. That could be a quick little pullback. It's a nice little scalp short position. I would be very cautious, as you could just reject quickly here and then get into a next zone. What I am looking for here, guys, okay, we also got that weekly here at the lows. If you break down, you got a higher low right there. You could get an instant reaction bounce. However, you could continue to the downside to the value area low from the trading range in between December and January. Okay, very important to note as well that we do have value area low and value area high where we could get that reaction. So I'm waiting for a consolidation, guys, to be honest, to take that day trade swing trade position. I am not interested in the volatility here as we break out. I want to see the reaction at these certain important levels to take the next trading decision. Of course, I will be talking about this on videos and also live streams. However, if you want those instant updates, you want to join the Legends trading community. Here is where I inform every single day of the possibilities and trading setups. Not much more has to be said here looking at Bitcoin, guys. Just waiting here patiently to get that breakout already. Until that breakout happens, we have some beautiful trading opportunities here inside of the range. Let's go here with the liquidity, because something disturbing is most of the liquidity here inside of this zone is sitting at the 43,600-800 range. Now, there is hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidity right there, and that is telling me that that liquidity will be fetched at some point. Now, going here through some news that is going on, 𝗕𝗶𝗴𝗫 MicroStrategy just bought another 850 Bitcoin. He is accumulating like crazy. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF is now taking in more cash than 99.98% of the ETFs. That is very much expected. Also, we can see here that 18 trading days have passed since the Bitcoin spot ETF was approved. BlackRock now holds 74,400 BTC, worth $3.2 billion. That is $178 million inflow every single day. If this continues, he will surpass MicroStrategy in 28 days. You can see how the inflows are getting absolutely crazy. Now, Hong Kong first spot Bitcoin ETF approval is very likely in the next 90 days, guys. So they're joining, guys. It's going to be absolutely crazy once the halving happens, which is just under 70 days, okay? Probably 74 days if we are continuing here with a 10-minute block. Once this happens, there's going to be a supply shock as well. And this is obviously, with all of the, Hong Kong ETF coming, BlackRock accumulating, of course, this is going to be absolutely huge. I would expect end of 2024, entering into 2025. Very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Quick reminder, guys, the K app is giving a giveaway. Make sure to follow these steps. There is a $1,000 giveaway, $500 for 2 lucky people. Easy steps here to follow. Sign up to the K app. You have the link down below in the description. You can see the $1,000 giveaway. It's going to be announced on Friday, okay? You only need to activate your cash account, okay? So go here once you sign up. You have the cash tab here. You need to activate it. And the next step is deposit $20. You can swap it for Bitcoin, for US dollar Tether, whatever you want, withdraw it. Now, it's just to register that you're entering into that giveaway, guys. The winner will be announced on Friday. 2 lucky winners to win $500. Nothing much to say, guys. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.